Hello, Mario! Maurieo's Basic 2D CAD Challenge Assessment Briefing. Hello and welcome to this briefing for the Basic 2D CAD Challenge. Let's go straight into Moodle. So this is the Moodle dashboard that we've got here, civil and structural drawing, and we get straight into it. It's actually opening up in the assessment page, and it's the Basic 2D CAD Challenge. So this is the actual assessment here that we'll have a look at here, and here it is. So it comes up as a little PDF document. So let's go through the basics of this here. First of all, it's the Basic 2D CAD Challenge. You want to copy a set of 2D plans using AutoCAD and demonstrate a basic set of 2D CAD skills. It's due at 11:59 p.m. on Monday the 16th of October 2017 in this particular case. And what's required for the assignment is a hard copy of the 4 plans, a DWG copy, that's an AutoCAD copy, something .dwg, and a PDF copy of the plans as well. All of those, the DWG and PDF should be emailed to your tutor, who's me, and the hard copy will be handed in. That's and it's in an A2 format for the hard copy, A2 set of plans. So yes, all right. So the learning outcomes: successful completion of the project. Students should be able to draw diagrams and plans using a range of CAD features, manage layers in CAD drawings, use XREFs, manage styles, text, dimension leaders, know about paper space and model space, create and manage multiple viewports. Some of these words may be unfamiliar to you, but by the time you've done this course, they will be very familiar. Manage CAD files safely and securely in a network environment. Basically, save your files. Don't you lose your data. Now, it happens every year that students lose data. Very important, very, very carefully look after your data. Create and manage and print sheet sets or sets of plans. You will be producing a set of plans which you'll see in due course. The aim of the assessment is to introduce students to the fundamentals of CAD drawing. Notice it's 2D CAD drawing. Yes, it might be a bit historic and all the marvels of 3D, but 2D is still around. We still have to interpret it. Most of the plans that we see or receive in the field are at this point in time 2D plans, and most historic plans are 2D. So you will be dealing with 2D plans for a good while yet. So we do need to have a good understanding of it and how it works. The objective is to produce a set of plans as evidence of fundamental CAD skills. So essentially you will produce the plans. These will be the evidence that you have these particular skills. I will also be sitting alongside you and observing the skills, and this is very important, as you will know from other practicals that perhaps you've had with me. If you can actually convince me that you've got the skill by sitting down next to me, that saves a lot of time and anguish for both of us, and tears and what have you. So take the time to communicate with me so that we can get things signed off in a good time and everybody's happy. Okay, so there's a set. I produced a set of guidelines for this full sheet set. So I have a comprehensive set of videos that you can follow through step by step, which will enable you to draw the plans, which we'll have a look in the middle. And they will include various skills and things that you need to do. And there will be there's a marking schedule below. Now this here constitutes all of the skills that I can sign off by sitting with you, and if you can show me, for instance, that you can fillet and chamfer, that you can use XREFs, that you understand drawing templates, I can sign these off, and provided you back them up with a good set of plans that provide some solid evidence, that will be fine, that you can create new drawings, join and explode. All of these things will become familiar to you as time goes on. So, and then the actual plans themselves, there are some things that you need to demonstrate on those, that that they're accurate, that the scale is correct. And scale is one of the big issues with plans, that I find that students' understanding of scale can be a little bit problematical. You must get your plans drawn to a scale, and to good nominated scales. You can't show a plan to a scale of 1 to 356, for instance, because you can't go to the shop and buy a 1 to 356 scale. So you would make it 1 to 400, or to the nearest appropriate scale. Space, obviously the plans don't want to look cluttered. They want to look nice and even with a good amount of white space. Aligned, things need to be level and horizontal, reading left to right and that sort of thing. The title block completed, not half finished. Text is right, the right size, and it's doing the right thing. Lines appropriate, symbols consistent, referencing is appropriate from sheet to sheet. Dimensions are complete and accurate and aligned and follow a little convention in some ways. And notes should be complete, aligned, free from spelling errors, appropriate size, don't cross over or obliterate other data. And similarly titles. And that gives us the 15% for the assignment. So that's the assignment document. We'll just drop that out of the way for now. Now the actual 2D challenge itself is, I have another Moodle course which has all the information, and that can be accessed here by going to the 2017 Basic 2D CAD course. Now I have enrolled you in that course, so if you are unable to get to that course, you may not be enrolled in it, so you need to come and see me and make sure that you're enrolled in this second course here. So here it is here, flick to there, and then again here, 2007 Basic 2D CAD, and there we go. Now this is, we've looked at the assignment. There's another copy of the assignment here, and these are the basic videos here, and you follow through the videos through in the order that they're here, sort of intro 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's various information. Now this here is the set of plans that you are actually going to draw. So these are the plans that you will be drawing here. So I wonder if I can make these a little bit bigger. There we go. Oh, perhaps just a tad smaller. So that there is the cover sheet, and I have put a picture in here You could choose any picture you like to put in there, but the cover sheet must have a bit of a name on it and a table of contents is what I've asked for there of all the plans in it. The table is one of the skills that you need. So then we go to the floor plan. But before we get to the floor plan, I show you how to draw the template or the plan form. So that's the form, that everything fits into. And then we draw the floor plan, which again, the videos I show you how to draw the floor plan, how to dimension it appropriate, how to get the text to the right scale, and how to draw all of these things here in the thing. So that's there. Then the next sheet here is the elevation, and I show you how to draw the elevation. Now each student will be doing their own set of plans. Should be no sharing of data. You may work together and show each other, but each student will be producing their own set of plans. So you will need one A2 hard copy of the whole thing, plus a DWG, which is an AutoCAD file, and a PDF, which you should be familiar with. And they can be, the digital data can be emailed to me, whereas the hard copy will have to be handed in a nice stapled together, bound up set of things. Now it's to be A2, so that's not A3, not A4, it's A2. Okay, and yes, that costs more than A3 and more than A4. You might have to spend some money to print it out in A2. The printing of A2 is available at Wintec. Sometimes we have problems with the printers. Perseverance to get it out is what is required. Your plans should look exactly like this sheet here. So if you think that you want to change the height of text and use wingdings or some other stupid font, don't, because it will not help your cause. Your plan should look exactly like this. This is the intention of what we want. When we go out into the workplace, our firms and companies we work for have CAD standards that they work to, and they expect everyone to work to that standard. So that if you send your plans, say you go on holiday and they decide they're going to get someone in the Dunedin office to finish them off, that it'll be seamless. We won't be able to see where your style finished and the other person's style started. Okay, so these two elevations will be drawn here. These two things here are what we call XREFs, so they are XREF'd in. So they will be, I will provide those for you. You will not have to draw those yourself. One of the guiding principles of CAD is that you should only have to draw something once. Once you've drawn it, store it and save it, and then use it over and over and over again. That's how we save money. That's why CAD is so efficient. That's why we use CAD, because it saves us so much time, because we are not repeatedly doing the same thing. Okay, and it enables us to change things very quickly. The fourth sheet in your set will be a site plan here. Again, this you'll follow through the set of instructions. You may position the house in a different location on the site, but you must meet all of the requirements, all of the planning requirements and what have you. The garage you will be drawing yourself and then XREFing that in. And that is our set of plans. So just to summarize there, you will be drawing this set of plans. You will be demonstrating the skills as you go along. It takes quite a little while to pick them up. You follow through the series of videos. Do that. If you think you can draw these plans without following the videos, that may well be possible, But what you will find if you do that is you may miss some little bits and pieces along the way that will become important further down the track. So it's quite important that you get the layering right, that you understand how the layering works. You understand how the line weights and things work, how to use colour properly, which layers to put things in, what not to put in layer 0. All of these little things are things that by just copying the plan as you see it there, you will miss. It is imperative that you go through the videos to get the full experience and a full understanding of what the 2D CAD requirements are going forward. So there you go. That's the 2D CAD challenge. The challenge is to get this done in the time that's allocated and to get it all finished and into me and get these know these CAD skills, because you're going to then need these very CAD skills to go through into 3 or 4 further projects along the way. So important that you get those done. So that should do, that's my introduction to the basic 2D CAD challenge. Cheers! See you